Hey, today we're going to do a quick guide on how to set up webhooks on BlockVision. So first off, you need to decide what app you want the notification to get sent to. I'm going to use the BlockVision Discord as an example for this. Feel free to join the community if you haven't already. And you'll need to be the admin of that server. So if you're not an admin, you're going to have to create a brand new server. Once that's ready, you'll need a channel for the alerts to go to. I'm going to use the moderator only channel because I don't want to spam all the users with this test. Then you're going to want to go to the server settings, so click the server in the top left, go to settings, there should be integrations and webhooks. You can see some existing ones we have here. I'm going to create a new one, we'll just call it demo, and make sure it's going to the channel you want, so moderator only for this, and copy webhook URL and hit save. And let's go back to the BlockVision dashboard, make sure you're on webhook, and depending if you want a transaction dropped or transaction mined, you can just choose which one of those. So let's just hit create webhook. Arbitrum testnet is fine for this example, and we can paste in the URL we copied, and then you're able to test it out just to make sure it works. So let's hit test webhook. You can see BlockVision Discord gets notified instantly. We can go to the Discord as well, just check it's in the correct channel. It's the demo test we just set up, and you have all the extra detail here. Then if you're happy with it, you can just hit confirm to save it. This also works for Slack, and we have a text tutorial of how to do that, as the steps are quite similar. You can find the link for that in the description of this video. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching.